Thank you for joining us for Done on Linux, where we will discuss and show the many things that you can do on Linux today. Thanks for joining us today. What we're going to show you today is how to theme your Xubuntu operating system. A lot of people use Ubuntu Linux today, but within the Ubuntu family are many different flavors of Ubuntu Linux. On Ubuntu.com, when you click on the download link, in the lower right-hand corner, you'll see some of those different flavors of Ubuntu Linux. The particular flavor that I use is called Xubuntu. I have tried many other distributions of Linux, but always stick with Xubuntu Linux. Xubuntu Linux is the same Linux as Ubuntu, with the exception that it uses the XFCE desktop environment instead of the GNOME environment. I prefer XFCE because of the customization that I can easily make not only to the look and feel of the system, but also how I can start applications within it and even change sound events. Today we're going to focus on showing you how you can change the look of your Xubuntu desktop. We will focus on application launching tips and sound events in later videos. What you're seeing now is the default look and feel of Xubuntu, and to be honest, I don't like it. But that's okay, because I can change it to something that I prefer, rather than just sticking with the default look. Some of the elements that I love to change are the window borders, as well as the color and style of the controls within those windows. That's what we're going to show you how to change today. So let's get started. First, we need to get to our settings panel. We do that by clicking on the whisker menu in the upper left-hand corner, and then we can click on the settings icon in the lower right-hand corner of the whisker menu. This is our settings panel. We want to click on Appearance, and under here we can choose any one of these existing options. I'm going to pick New Mix, and then I need to go back to all settings again. I want to go now to my window manager, and I'm going to also pick New Mix here, and I'm going to go back to all settings. Now you'll notice that our window border is now different. It's a darker color, it's got a different icon setup for the maximize and closing icons and the minimizing icons. And also that the color setting is different. The scheme is this red and white coloring. And that's how you change the look of your Xubuntu desktop. Okay, so we saw how we can change the look of the operating system of Xubuntu, but what if you want to do more than just change from these few options that are available here? There's not a whole lot of options, right? Well, we can get some more. The site that I usually go to is called xfce-look.org. And at this site, you can download different themes and borders and icons and whatnot to change the look and feel of your OS even more. So I'm going to start here with the XFCE themes section here. And I'm going to go ahead and download one that's kind of really shows off how different you can make your system look. So I'm going to go ahead and search up here for one that I know of that I like. Haiku Alpha. I'm going to click on this one. And what we do is it's going to show a little preview right here in the middle of the screen of what the theme will make your system look like. I'm going to click on Files, and I'm going to go ahead and download this file here. Download, and then we can save that. All right, so here's our file that we downloaded. I'll double click on it, and this is the folder inside the compressed file. I'll hit extract, and I'm going to go ahead and just extract it into my downloads folder and then jump to that. So this is what I downloaded, the tar file, the compressed file. We can go ahead and get rid of that now. And this is the results. In this folder, you'll see various files that are needed for the theming to work. What we're going to do though, we need to put this in a special place. We need to put this in the themes folder, which is a hidden folder in your user directory. So I'm going to go and change my file manager to show me hidden files, which actually looked like it was already on. Let me go up one directory though, and you notice I don't have a themes folder. It should start with a dot because it's a hidden folder, .themes, but there isn't one there. So we go ahead and we just create it, themes. And now I've got my hidden folder. What I'm going to do now is go back to my downloads. I'm going to take what I downloaded, this folder that I got, and drag it into the themes area. Then when we go back to our settings, we go back to appearance. Sorry, it's not appearance. Actually, it's under window managers. And we'll see Haiku Alpha. And when I clicked on that, notice how the window border changed now. Very different. Nice different option that we have there to use. But I also like the whole Haiku theme design, and it's more than just the window borders, but I've got to go get it. So I need to go back and look at now the icons that they have for this as well. So we can see right here they've got full icon themes. I'm going to click on that, and yeah, that's great, full icon themes. But I know what I want. Let's see if I can find it by doing a search here. Let's see, we've got GTK2 themes, I've got cursors, Haiku full icon themes. I think this is the one I want. So I'm going to click on that. Again, it gives you a little preview, and then these are the icons and how they're going to look on your system, which I don't know, I just love that style. And it's a lot of fun just to change your system around and have it look the way you want it to look, and change things up. I'm going to go ahead and download this, just like before. I'll save the file, and it's already done. And then, okay, click on that. Extract into downloads again. Okay, now I've got another folder in my downloads called the Haiku. It's just called Haiku, but these are for the icons. And yep, you guessed it, we got to put them somewhere special too. Where do we put them? In our home folder, just like the themes, which was a hidden folder. But this one's going to be a hidden folder called icons, which is not there. So we're going to go ahead and just create it, icons. There we go. Now I've got my hidden icons folder. Go back to downloads, drag this folder into the icons hidden folder. Okay, now we'll go back again to our settings. We'll go to appearance this time, and then we'll click on icons. And now under icons, I have this Haiku option. Now watch, when I click that, you'll notice these icons over here on the desktop, they're going to change. Boom. Now we have a totally different look for our system. And these icons in here as well change. So this is how you can change the themes, how your system looks. There are some built-in options as we saw, but you may want to do more. So you can come over to this xfce-look.org website, and you can download all kinds of different icons and window borders and really personalize your system to make it the way you want it to look. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.